So here we're trying to select a solution set that describes the inequality r is greater than or equal to 1. So when we're thinking about this, we don't have the number line in front of us, so we could either sketch one or we could just think through this. Let's first just try thinking through. We want all numbers greater than 1 or equal to 1. Since it has the equal piece on our inequality, then I know 1 is part of the solution set. So coming over here, this one reads -1 to 1 including 1, 1 to infinity including 1. So these two are options for us. This one says, hey, 1 to infinity not including 1. So we're not going to want to choose that because of the equal sign on our inequality. It says it does include 1. -1 to infinity to 1 not including 1. So that's another one we can eliminate. We're down to these two. So we're saying, hey, the smallest that it can be is -infinity and the biggest it can be is 1. Or the smallest it can be is 1 and the biggest is infinity. So when we look at this, we're thinking, okay, can I have negatives in here? If it runs from -infinity to 1, all the negative numbers will work. So any negative number, let's see, pick one, -5. Is -5 greater than or equal to 1? And the answer is no. And we want all numbers to the right of 1, and negatives are not to the right. So this would not make sense. All right, if we start at 1 and go up to positive infinity, well, those are numbers that are going to be to the right of 1. Pick a number to the right of 1, say 10. Is 10 greater than or equal to 1? And it is. That's to the right of 1. So it starts at 1 and goes to all the positive numbers 1 and above. So it would be this one right here. If it's too hard for you to visualize that by plugging in those random numbers that I'm picking, feel free to sketch a number line. Sketch 1, solid dot on 1. All numbers to bigger than 1, which means to the right of 1. You would shade this direction. If this is 1, then this is infinity, and we're running towards infinity when we shade to the right. So you may want to just sketch yourself a little graph. If doing visualizing this without a graph, that would be a good strategy to help you see the solution set come to life. That's it.